Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is your next tower moment. It's a pick a card reading. You need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose blue pile. Your next tower moment. So pile number 1, who choose blue pile. The next tower moment is, it is little bit surprise kind of tower moment. It's not bad tower moment. It is actually good news, but it will make you shock or surprise. You are going to get some money or financial help or financial success. You in the past or currently, if at all you are going through any kind of financial problems, financial issues, feeling like abandoned or feeling like no one is helping you. Five of Pentacles is literally helpless, feeling helpless regarding money, poverty. Five of Pentacles is like poverty. If at all you are in poverty or you are feeling any kind of losses, financial losses in your life, this tower moment will bring you good news. You are going to get some unexpected financial success or some unexpected money. You are going to receive some unexpected money, which will help you to come out of this poverty. If at all you are going through any kind of financial issues, it will help you to come out of that financial issues. If you are feeling hopeless, helpless, this financial success, or I can say it is unexpected money. Whatever unexpected money you are going to receive, it will clear all your problems. Tower moment means it is unexpected. So here I can say whatever tower moment you are going to receive next, it is going to help you financially. It will solve all your financial problems. Here I can see you are struggling with money. You are feeling very helpless. You don't have anything. You are feeling like left out in the cold, especially financially. You are not believing anyone, or at least you are not in the position to ask someone for this financial help to come out of this situation. So finally, this tower moment will bring you that help. Because of that unexpected wealth or money, you are going to come out of it. Like your life is going to change completely. Either you are going to receive some help financially, or even though if you are not asking, someone will come and help you to come out of this situation. That's why it is unexpected. Maybe you are not expecting it to happen, or you maybe lost all your hopes regarding this situation. You maybe lost all your hopes and you are in sadness. You are not feeling good enough, or you are not feeling confident, because here there may be someone dependent on you. Even you need to take care of them. So finally, whatever next tower moment is, it is doing good to you, or you are receiving some good news regarding. It is not even good news. You are receiving some unexpected money, which is going to solve all your financial issues. if at all you are in poverty, you are going to receive that unexpected money, and it will help you to come out of that bad situation. So let's move on to pile number 2, who choose green pile. Your next tower moment. So pile number 2, your next tower moment is maybe you are expecting some new beginning in your life, some new beginnings in your life, or some happy news. The thing is, you are not going to receive it. The next tower moment is whatever you are expecting, no matter whether it is your personal life or professional life, whatever your expectation is, it will end up in negative. The result will be negative, or you are not going to reach your expectations. It is, this sun card is like very happy card, some new beginnings, happiness, getting whatever we desire, but it is in the reverse. This simply means that you are not going to get what you are expecting. This tower moment bring you some unhappy news, I can say. Unhappy news, it will make you little bit lazy also, because sun is like enthusiasm, activeness. So you feel little bit lazy, inactive, or low self-confidence. You may be not feeling good to do something because of that failure, I can say. So it is a energy for some time. Maybe if you are expecting something, this time you are not going to receive it. Maybe you need to wait for some more time. It is not that you are not going to receive in your life. It is simply maybe it is not the right time to get that, whatever you are expecting. Maybe if at all universe give you that, you are not in a position to handle. So this tower moment will make you to understand some things in your life, or at least learn some lessons, whatever you are desiring, whatever you are wishing from the universe. To get that, you need to become something, or you need to have that strength to receive that wish. So here it is in the reverse, means whatever you are wishing, it will going to happen, but not now. Before receiving that, you need to learn some lessons. So this tower moment will bring you that lessons, because you are not going to get what you are expecting. Because of that, you feel sad, you feel painful. So that failure will teach you so many things about you, mostly about you. Those lessons will give you courage to handle whatever you are wishing for. So first, maybe see, the thing is, when we fail in our life, we feel that we got failed, or we are not receiving what we are wishing for. But the thing is, we are not ready to get what we are wishing for. That is the reason universe delayed. In this failure, we will learn, if we get that, how we need to handle it. At least we will get the strength to handle that thing, whatever we are wishing for. So that is the reason why we used to get these failures. We need to go through these lessons, so that once we become strong enough to receive whatever we want, then universe will present that thing. Universe will fulfill that wish. This is how universe works. So here you may be expecting something in your life, whether it is a new beginning, whether some project, or if you are waiting for some result, whatever it may be. Here you need to wait for some more time. So in that waiting period, you need to learn some lessons. So that lessons will come from this failure. Whatever disappointment you are going through, you are going to receive some disappointment or failure. In that you are going to learn the lessons which will help you to handle the thing what you are expecting. You will get that strength to handle that wish. So your next hour moment is disappointment, but it is not exactly disappointment or failure. So I think you already got my point. Okay, it is not negative. Just change your perception about it. Don't see it as a failure. See it as a learning lessons, something. Learning some valuable lessons from that failure. So that you will be prepared for your success, next success. Let's move on to pile number 3, who choose white pile. So your next hour moment. So pile number 3, your next hour moment. Your next hour moment will make you stable, I can say. It is a Queen of Pentacles. You are going to become stable financially. Maybe whatever news you are going to receive, it will make you a little bit uncomfortable, I can say. You won't feel comfortable with this, or when you hesitate to. It is not hesitation, it is like uncomfortable or shocking. You are going to receive some message or news which will make you shocked and uncomfortable, or maybe you are not ready to receive such kind of news, I can say. But the news is very good. It may make you may feel shocked when the first time you receive the news, but this news will, that's why it came in the Tower moment. It will make you shocked a little bit. You will get shocked. But the thing is, this news will make you stable financially. Maybe if at all it is not expecting, maybe you are not expecting some financial success, stability, or position. You are going to receive that position. Or I can say, if at all you are single, you are going to get married. Maybe that marriage is for you, marriage is like shocking. Maybe you may be having that commitment issues. If at all you have commitment issues or commitment phobia, this news will make you, this proposal or whatever proposal you are going to receive, or this marriage proposal especially, it will shake your world. But the thing is, it will make you stable. This opportunity, whatever opportunity you are going to receive, that will make your life stable. You will become stable with that opportunity. Initially maybe you will get shocked, or you will be not interested. It is like feeling uncomfortable, because you may be not looking for such kind of offers. You may be like, you want to stay single. You don't want to get into relationships. But the thing is, here you are going to receive some offer where someone want to make their Queen of Pentacles, means their partner, stable offer, I can say. So because of that, you will get shocked, or little bit you feel shaky because of that news. But the thing is, you are going to accept it, and it will it will make you stable in your life. Currently, whether you are stable or not, that's a different thing, but whatever opportunity is coming towards you, that opportunity will make you stable in your life. You are not going to lose. First thing, even though if you are getting married, you are not going to lose your freedom, I can say, independence. Second, financially you are going to become very stable. You will going to have some pleasurable things. You are going to enjoy your life, I can say, because here I am not seeing any kind of negative things or sad things. So whatever offer is coming, accept it. Maybe it is came in the tower moment, means definitely you are not going to accept it. You feel uncomfortable because you are not expecting this. So when it comes, you feel uncomfortable, and there is a chances that you are going to reject it. But don't do it, because whatever offer is coming, it is good for you. Initially it may be scare you. Yeah, exactly, scare you, because when you want to stay single and independent, this queen is very independent. But when she is holding coins, means there will be some responsibilities. So there is a chance that you are going to scared of these responsibilities. But the thing is, here you are not going to lose anything. You are not going to lose this independence. Whatever life you are leading, it will be there. Moreover, you will get more happiness, good people around you, good atmosphere around you, and financially also, if at all you are stable also, it will become more stable. If you are not stable, it will become stable, and you will be having all kind of pleasures, I can say. So point number 3, whoever choose it is, whatever opportunity is coming towards you, don't reject that offer. At least think about it, because it will make you scared. You will get scared. That's why it came in the tower moment. You are going to get scared of that offer, opportunity, whatever you are going to receive. But the thing is, don't say no or don't reject it. At least take some time and think thoroughly, because here this opportunity will give you some long-term stability, I can say. You are going to become stable for your lifetime, because Queen of Pentacles is a very stable queen. So don't miss this opportunity. No matter how much scary you may feel, calm down yourself and take some time. Think about it. You are going to benefited with this offer. So let's move on to pile number 4, who chose red pile. Your next tower moment. So pile number 4, your next tower moment is you are going to receive some financial help or partnership. It is purely professional partnership. If you want to start any kind of project and you are looking for help, you are going to get that help. But the thing is here, whoever helping you or whoever want to help you, they are not going to help you freely. They want something in the return. The scales are balanced. So maybe this is the tower moment, because you are expecting some help from someone, but the thing is they are not going to help you freely. They want something in the return equally. So your next tower moment, I can say you are going to meet someone who is generous, who believes in equal give and take. But the thing is, I think you may be having some extra expectations, I can say. You may be expecting something more from this person, where after meeting them or after talking to them, you will realize that they are not that much generous, or the whatever picture you had in your brain, it is not completely what you are thinking about them. It will make you shocked. That's why it came in the tower moment, I can say. Here, this girl is very shocked. That's why maybe you thought that that person is very generous, kind, but the thing is, maybe they are very generous, kind, but the thing is here, you are going to see something which you not expected. Or you are going to see other side of them, which will make you shocked. Here I cannot say that is a bad side. It is like that's why I said maybe you may be having some over expectations from this person, or you may be having very good thoughts, or you may thought little bit extra about this person in good side. But thing is, it is equally balanced. If they are if we think that they are good, there is the other side, they are as much as they are good, in the same way they are bad also. So it depends on the situation. This person will act on the situation. Based on the situation, based on the person, they will react, I can say. Maybe this will make you shocked. Maybe you are thinking that that person is very generous and they are going to do whatever you want. But the thing is, they know what to do, when to do, how to do. So maybe it will make you shocked. It is natural. That's why I said you may be having over expectations about this person. Or if at all you are thinking that you can take advantage of them because this person is very generous, and if you are thinking that you can take advantage of them, you are going to get shocked, because this person knows. They may be generous, but they know how to handle the things, how to balance the things. So they don't give a chance to others to take advantage of their kind nature or generous nature. So this will make you shocked. There's a high chances that you are going to meet someone who is, you are expecting some help from them, and you thought that, you may be thinking they are going to help you without expecting anything, because you maybe know them as a very helpful person who can help everyone. But the thing is here, maybe they are very helpful person, but see how much helpful we may be. People, when we are helping people, we will think till what extent we should give, what extent we should not give, and moreover here professional help. So I don't think anyone will do professionally, freely help someone professionally, because when you are earning something, it is natural that they want something from that earning. So this will make you shocked. Maybe you are going to see some different side of them, which you never expected. Because till now I think you did not meet them eye to eye. You did not meet them in person. So when you meet them, you are going to see that other side of them. They are not bad, I can say, because it is natural. When you are dealing with professional matters, you cannot expect freely. If it is professional, means it should be equal give and take. Even though in your relationships also it should be equal give and take. If they are not investing, you are not investing anything, and you are expecting something from others, how can it possible? Until unless other person is a fool, they won't give you anything without getting something in the return. So this will make you shocked, I can say. This is your tower moment. You are going to see other side of their character. So let's move on to pile number 5. Who choose? Yellow pile. So what is the next hour moment in your life? Pile number 5. So pile number 5, if at all you are expecting any kind of communication or message, the next hour moment is, it will be delayed. You are not going to receive that message. Here some people will become against you, I can say. Here, if at all you are working with team, your team members will become against you. They will go against you. Or even though in your family also, people are not on the same page. People won't be on the same page. You may be having, everyone will be having some different opinions. They won't be with the same opinion, or they are not ready to accept the opinion of someone. If at all, if your 3-4 members are involved, they are not ready to accept whatever they are telling, or they are going against each other, I can say here. There is no teamwork. They are not going to listen to each other. Even though if it is 2 members, if it is here, definitely other people are involved. It is not single person. So pile number 5, whoever watching, if you are expecting some message, some information from someone, they are not going to give that message or information to you. They are going to reject, or they are going to say no to that information or message. If at all you are looking for any kind of message, if you want to get any kind of information about anything, maybe you may be thinking that they are your person, so they are going to give you whatever information you are looking for, or whatever message you are looking for. But the thing is, they are, it is simply like, see, your friend will become your enemy. This is the best example I can say. Your friend will become your enemy. This is your tower moment. You may be having so much expectations or hopes about someone. You may be having trust on someone. You thought that they are never going to. Here it is not about betraying. It is like simply you know someone from very long time and you are expecting something from them, whether it is a communication, message, information, and you have blind thought that if at all you ask, they will give you. Such kind of blind thought you have about that. But the thing is, here they are not going to give you. They are not going to help you. They are not ready to work in your team. Simply they are not with you. So this will make you shocked, because you thought that whatever happened, this person is not going to leave you. But the thing is, they are not in your team. This is what you are coming to know about it. This is your tower moment. If someone is there, you both are working in the team, you thought that that person will be with you, and whatever happened, you both will handle it. This person will never leave you. But the thing is, you are going to see their true colors where they are not with you. You will understand that. That is your tower moment. Here people are not in one team, same team I can say. They are working against each other. So if at all you are thinking that someone is in your team, they are working with you, you are going to know their true colors, or you are going to know the truth that they are working against you, not with you. That will create this tower moment. That is the tower moment I can say. Whatever situation it is, whether it is a professional life, whether it is a personal life, you are going to know that the person or people, whoever you are thinking, they are not your friends. They are not in your team actually. They are not in your team. They are working against you. This is your next tower moment. So anyway, file number 5 we cannot do because we don't know who will become our enemy and who will become our friend. It is natural. Just depend on yourself. Here it is not going to happen. If at all you are looking for any kind of teamwork, it is not going to happen. So what I can suggest you is, whatever you are doing, depend on yourself. At least for some time. At least till the time you meet right persons in your team. Till that time you just concentrate on yourself and trust yourself. Don't trust anyone, because they may be projecting like they are working with you. The thing is, in the behind the scenes or behind the door, they are working against you. And so it's better to work alone. Working with people who is not in your team, it is better to work alone. So if at all you are planning to do any kind of teamwork also, just for some time keep it aside. Don't trust anyone. Don't depend on anyone to get the information or message, whatever you are looking for. Don't depend on anyone, okay? Because here people are working against you, I can say. So it is not exactly your friend. I just said that example. Whoever it may be, if at all you are working in some organization, if you are thinking that your team members are with you, they are working with you, it is actually, the thing is, they are working against you. They are not in your team. There is a lack of teamwork. So don't expect anything from anyone, at least for some time. Don't believe anyone, don't trust anyone. Better depend on yourself. If at all you want to do something, depend on yourself. Complete that work on your own, instead of telling that work, giving that work to others, because here there is some disturbances there. So I don't think you may be having people who can you trust around you. So it is better to work alone for some time, whatever you are doing. No need to disclose or no need to depend on anyone. No need to expect anything to anyone and expect anything from anyone. This is how you can come out of, or you can spend some time, at least till the time you get the right people in your life. Maybe you people may be having some misunderstanding, because of that they are working against you. So till the time you won't clear that misunderstandings, it is better to work alone. Okay, depend on yourself. Don't depend on anyone and don't trust anyone regarding any kind of matters. But the tower moment is like, you are coming to know that, you will come to know that people are against you, whom you are thinking that they are your team. So thank you so much. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.